Meaning of decommission.
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 Decommission. Decommission means to take a thing, usually a machine or military equipment, out of service permanently. This process involves removing all necessary components, such as fuel, oil, and other hazardous substances, to make it safe for disposal. By doing so, the equipment or machine can no longer be used for its original purpose. The result of decommissioning is that the item is unusable and no longer poses a threat to people or the environment. It is often done due to age, inefficiency, safety concerns, or obsolescence.